Hello, World Wide Web. It's Decker Shadow, the internet personality with the most explosives. It is the 4th of July today, or at least when this gets uploaded. So, what exactly does the 4th of July mean? Blowing a hell of a lot of shit up. And fortunately, I've already blown some shit up tonight. This tonight being when this is recorded, the 3rd. This was really interesting here. So that means on the 4th, I have something to show you. Not quite everything we see here, but enough to really get a taste of what it's like to have the 4th in the middle of bumfuck nowhere, where no one cares just how much you blow up your neighborhood. Enjoy. Okay, here in a little early 4th of July celebration. Classic sparkler and lawnmower. Yes. Actually, this is coming out a little better than I thought it would, mainly because there's actually light in that. Well, there was. Oh, what? Whoa, whoa, whoa. There's suddenly an explosion. We got some Roman candle action going on here.
I love these things.
Okay, doing my own Roman candle here. Alright. Here we go. Come on.
It's just for lighting wick.
That's it? Whoa!
Aim it away from the tree.
Oh, sorry. I can't see the tree very well. Ah, why can't they go on forever? Wait, what do we got? Oh shit. Back up. Backing up.
That was fizzle.
That could have gone better.
Yeah.
Jeez, look at all that smoke. I mean, they can't see it on the video, but whoosh. Whoa, what the shit was that one?
Those are the others. That's the other candle.
God damn.
Aim upward.
Whoa!
It's not going to spin on that surface.
But it is looking awesome. Well, I feel like I should back up.
We should do those in the street.
Well, we got more inside.
Wait. Let it go completely out.
Don't want to rush in and
Yeah.
poke at it while it's like this. Did it work?
No, I didn't. Got it diffused.
Going out to the
Right. Whoa! Where? I was afraid that thing was going to turn around and come at us.
They used to.
Why didn't you warn me?
Chase people. That's why they're called chasers.
Sparkly, sparkly, sparkly. Everything's more fun when it's on fire. Sweet hell.
Ow. Where are they? Here they are. Here we go.
Whoa! Woo! I got it. Whoa. Okay, so they do fly. Okay. Shall I light the frog?
You want me to light the frog?
Or you can light the frog as I have the camera.
Back up, because I don't know what this is supposed to do.
Well, yeah, we don't know, but I don't think it's going to be too bad. Yeah, not too bad. But yeah, I guess it was a good idea to back up.
Tape off.
Okay, I think the ladybug's lit.
Nope.
What? What's that? Oh, another one. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, it was a little close.
I love those. Let's go a little bit this way. Hey, someone wants to light.
Okay.
Back up.
Whoa! Whoa! Holy mother of... Where are the tits? I heard thing fall behind me. What was that? Okay. That was... Okay, that's a ladybug. That's what they do. What the fuck was that? There's a big ass cloud of smoke that no one can see on the video, but shit. I feel like I should be backing up now.
It's a shower thing.
Ah! What the dick? It mutated. I have no idea what that was.
Hold on to the light.
It was interesting.
Okay. Oh. That's what the little ones do.
Ah, okay.
Watch where you stand. There may be ants too.
Is that doing anything?
No, I think you're gonna do it. Don't get near it.
Well, that's disappointing compared to everything else.
Let's go in the long wire.
Or that could work.
Uh-oh.
What?
Okay, for a 40-cent firework, it's okay.
After it eventually did something, it's like, oh, all right. Whoa, 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 where'd it go? Ah, man.
Over there someplace. It just fell over there. You know what it does.
What the? That was interesting. There it is.
All right, back up.
Whoa!
That was only a 25 count. They have 200s. They have ones to 750 count.
Those just explosions.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. It just said, fuck it, I'm out of here.
Trying to see if I can get this thing to light. There it goes. What's that one, the glower? Yeah. Oh, this is weird. Look at this. It comes out and it kind of looks like a worm.
Ah, yeah, it's one of those.
That was weird. And it's still growing.
It probably will keep doing that for a while.
Okay, that's just weird looking.
When's it stop?
I don't know. When it runs out of worm, I guess. Alright, where did I sit all those? In my hand. Oh.
There it goes.
Yeah, there goes.
The worm is done.
I just figured it was safer. Man, these things used to be better than this.
They don't seem to have the same quality control.
Now, they used to light up and go up in the air. That one's chiseled. Here, give me another one of those. I turned one upside down to see what that does.
It goes after your daughter. Should I be? I'm not. I don't feel very safe around these things anymore. Well, that's assuming that I felt safe around them in the first place. Oh boy. Oh, that went into the neighbor's yard. Hope they don't mind. You sure about that?
Nope.
Whoa! What was that?
Chaser.
Oh, I
They
just.
work better in the street.
Yeah. Which way? Is that pointing at me? Whoa.
Well, that one didn't work. That was supposed to be a zipper. We'll try this again. Damn it. That was easy. Stand back.
Multiple fireflies are out here tonight. They are liking the fireworks, obviously.
Maybe they think it's a mating display. How many was that?
3. I put all their wicks together, and the first one lit, and it lit the other 2. I love these. Whoa.
Okay, that was a little different. Okay, this tank battle is going off a little prematurely. They're not done yet. At least they shouldn't be.
Oh, these are the cheap ones. They probably are.
But they still at the front. Or did they? Oh, they already fired it off. Huh.
This one didn't go off at all.
Neither did the other one.
Which one?
That one. No, not that one.
Come on.
Okay. You left combat, you idiot.
That one doesn't want to work. It's a dud.
That's a civilian village, you useless tank.
This one here, I can't get to.
Well, he already caught
No,
fire, so it.
there it
Whoa,
is.
whoa, whoa. Is he actually doing it?
I don't know. He's trying. I think he's a dud. All right.
Ah.
Yeah, he's a dud.
Ah. Ow. That was kind of loud.
Okay.
How close did that one explode? Just one of them was like, boom, and like, ooh, I felt that in my ear.